What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hardwoods Huntsman. So guys, in today's video, as you saw last video, we did a snowmobiling video. Today I'm bringing back another snowmobiling video. And in the last video, a lot of you guys told me like through Instagram and through like YouTube that like my GoPro wasn't raised up, and like as soon as I got done I was like, shoot, that's really not gonna be enough, but I'm gonna make a video out of it anyway. So today I fixed that and I went riding around on the lake in my backyard and on a little bit of trails. I've never taken you on trails before, but the trails really are not that good because I haven't snowed for a long time. But yeah, so I'm bringing back another video. Hope you guys liked the last one. Let me know if you like these type of videos. I'll bring back more of them. But if you're new here to the channel, subscribe. My name's Billy and I'm come out with fishing, hunting, trapping, snowmobiling, ATVing, camping, all sorts, anything outdoors pretty much. So yeah, and then if you're wondering why aren't I doing the intro before I go riding, because I kind of forgot, and then I was going to do it, and then I kind of went out at night where you can't use the GoPro, or the GoPro doesn't pick up anything. Went riding, I buried the snowmobile. I was coming up on a ditch and it was deeper than I thought, and I kind of fell off and the snowmobile sank down and I couldn't get it out. And then it died because all the gas went to one side of the tank. It didn't get any gas in the engine. It kind of died, so it's kind of buried there right now. I'm working on getting it out, and yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace.